Do you want to make a new shirt for your Roblox avatar? If yes, in this video I'll show you how you can make a shirt in Roblox. To create a shirt in Roblox, first you need to download a template. It's in the PNG file format. And for that, go to the Roblox official website and click on Create tab. Next, click on Shirts option and download the Shirts template. After downloading the template, you need to place a design on it using the image editing app of your choice. You can use a free online photo editor like Photopea.com. Just go to the Photopea.com on your browser and click on Open from the computer and select the template we have downloaded. Once you upload the template, click on this rectangle tool and drag this tool across this color part like this and press the delete button. We will do this for the whole template. Now once you are done and your shirt template looks like this, just go ahead and look for the whatever color you want for your Roblox shirt. Search for any color in browser, right click on it and save the image on your computer. Now go back to the photo editing software, click on File at the top left corner, then open and place and select the color we have saved. Now click on Edit, then Free Transform and resize it, just the way I'm doing. If you want to add anything on your Roblox shirt, just download the image of it online and place it on the Roblox shirt. And to place it, click on Files, Open and Place and select the image. You can easily resize it and place it whenever you want. Once you are done, click on Files, Export As and click PNG and save the image as PNG. Now go to the Roblox website, click on Create tab, then Shirts and here click on Choose File. Select your shirt template, give your shirt a name and click on Upload. Roblox will review your shirt and it will be available after it clears the review process. Now like the video and also don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.